growth in bone and growth in bone length and growth of articular cartilage. So, growth in bone length, long bones and bony projection increases the length because of growth at the epiphyseal plate. Epiphyseal plate. In a long bone, the epiphyseal plate separates the epiphysis from the aphysis. Cartilage calcification and ossification in the epiphyseal plate occur by the same basic process as calcification and ossification of the cartilage model during the endochondral bone formation. So the epiphyseal plate, so makita niyo, as you can see there, the red line, that's where the epiphyseal plate or the growth plate. So dira magsugod ang pagtubo sa kaning bone. So there are there are the here are the figure of cartilage in epiphyseal plate. These are the five different zone. The zone one, which is the resting cartilage, it is it is narrower on epiphysis. This composes the small chondrocyte distributed throughout the matrix. So you can see it here. It resembles highland cartilage. It helps secure the epiphysis to the epiphyseal plate. Not the chondrocytes you have in zone 1 will contribute to zone 2, which is the profiling a proliferating cartilage which is you have in initial growth. Have chondrocytes undergo rapid mitotic division and they become aligned into the columns as you can see the column in this zone. These columns are parallel to the diathesis, so they are growing in one direction. In zone 3 you have the zone of hypertrophic cartilage. Here the chondrocytes cease to divide and they begin to grow in size, which is hypertrophy, and the walls on this side of the lacuna begin to get thinner. In zone 4, this is the zone of calcified cartilage. Here is only composed of 2 or 3 layers of chondrocyte, and you have minerals that are beginning to be deposited between the columns of lacunae, and as these minerals are deposited, it destroys the chondrocytes, which leads to zone 5, which is the zone of ossification. Here the walls break down between the lacunae in the columns and the spaces are invaded by capillaries in osteoprogenitor cells, that which are cells that will give rise to osteoblasts or osteoclasts. And if there are osteoblasts made here, zone in the uh, this will form the new bone matrix that will later be ossified in this zone in the epiphyseal plate. It maintains this thickness during childhood, and as you get older, it slows down. It will eventually narrow until it disappears and interstitial growth stops. Growth at articular cartilage. So epiphysis increase in size because of growth and the at the articular cartilage. The process of growth in articular cartilage is similar to that occurring in epiphyseal plate, except that the chondrocyte columns are not obvious. When the epiphyses reach their full size, the growth of cartilage and its replacement by bone cease. The articular cartilage, however, persists throughout life and does not become ossified as epiphyseal plate does. So as you can see here, the bone growth length, because the cartilage grow here, as kanang makita niyo nga murag line kanang puti. So dira ang cartilage grow din sa kani ikadua ning cartilage replaced by bone. So kanang dira nang nay violet or pinkish ko na. Dira ga dira mo mapulihan ang kaning mapulihan ang cartilage. So diri nga part ani murag kanang nay pagka violet nga murag nay pagka pink makukuha wala sa color yun na. So cartilage grow, dira mo grow ang cartilage, then cartilage replaced by bone here aning nay mga pinkish. So sa growing shaft is sa aning sa articular cartilage, remodeling growing shaft is remodeled by bone reabsorb and bone added by of positional growth. So then bone reabsorb here. So kani nga kuan kani mga arrow-arrow dira ga kuan ang karon sa ni mga nay mga nahitabo nga pag-grow sa atong kuan articular cartilage. So that's all. Thank you.